Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious papaya salad. You could go to an Asian store and buy a young green papaya and then shred it yourself, or you can buy the one that already shredded right here. See, like this, shred into a small strand like this. And the other ingredient you will need is dry shrimp right here. I got a little bit of dry shrimp right there. One tomato, some chili pepper, one lime, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a little bit of salt, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then it's optional right here if you don't want it. This is MSG, monosodium glutamate, just a tiny bit of MSG for flavor. Roasted peanut, dry roasted peanut. Fish sauce. This is a must-have right here. This is it's in a bottle. I got this one from Cambodia. It's called prahok, or fermented fish. It's very stinky, so you gotta have that. If you don't have that, you can use fermented crabs, or this one you can use this too. Shrimp sauce right there. That's a must-have. Shrimp sauce or fermented stinky fish, really stinky. And you gotta have this right here to mix it all together, to pound it all together. It's called a mortar and pestle. You gotta have that. You can buy one. This is a plastic one. Put the salt in there, not too much. Yeah, I used probably half of it. I don't want too much salt in there. And then depending on how spicy you want, this chili pepper right here, you can put 2 or 3. I'm going to put 3 right here, and I'm just pound it a little bit. All right, now go in my sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then my MSG. And put in the dry shrimp, not too much. You want to cut your lime right here into wedges, like that. Just squeeze the juice out of the lime, and then just leave the rind in there. All right, I'm gonna use about a half of the lime right now. Tomato, just cut into chunks like this. Put all in there. Now just pound it together lightly. Don't pound it too hard. They just all mix it together like that. And now put in a couple handful of papaya, shredded papaya, like that. 2 handfuls, a little bit more. Basically, you don't need no. So basically, don't pound it very hard. Just try to mix all the ingredient together like this right here. Just pour in about a teaspoon of this, and just mix it. Put a little bit of roasted peanut in there. I say, don't really pound it very, don't need to pound it very hard. Just do like this. The reason to do like this, just try to mix it together, mix all the ingredients together, Not too much. Fish sauce is very salty. It's about half a teaspoon of that. Not too much. See, try to mix it together. So basically you try to mix everything together. Take a spoon. And give a taste. You know, if you need more lime, then squeeze some more lime in there. It's good. I'm gonna squeeze a little more lime in there. Oh, just put the rind in there. You don't need to. See, when you pound it, like I say, don't pound it too hard. Just do like this. You just want to mix all the ingredients together. That's all the purpose of doing this. And that's it. That's papaya salad. Let's plate it up. You can put a little bit peanut on the top right here. The peanut's good. So this is how you make a green papaya salad. It's so simple. You can make this yourselves. Very delicious. And yes, very delicious. It's so simple. You can make this yourself. Very delicious. Trust me. Let me taste. See, it's so crunchy from the very crunchy the green papaya, and it you can taste that sourness from the lime, and the fish sauce, and that stinky, and the prahak, the stinky fermented fish is really good, give a good flavor. So I hope you can learn how to make this papaya salad. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.